Hi, it's Michelle Stone with Michelle Stone Masterpieces. And today is day number 7, I believe. Yeah, it's Saturday, February 7th. No, it's day number 8. I'm sorry. Um, of the 100-day challenge. And I'm here kind of late tonight, a little tired, but that's okay. I decided to do 8 and 8 little pieces of my pie for my emotional color wheel. And we're going to get right to it, right? Thanks. So I went ahead and I already started writing them out. Um, and, I didn't realize, I just said that I was tired. So I'm thinking, should I erase one of these? I don't know. Anyway, so I did my circle already, and I divided it in quarters. Now I'm going to divide those into halves so I can have my 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I can have my 8. So I think I'm going to do thankful and pleased as one emotion, and then tired as that emotion. All right. So curious. Curious is going to be this this color. It's like a yellow orange. Concern. Kind of going through dark green. Oh yeah, that feels good. See what else I got. Reserved. My voice. I'm like, oh, that's a reserved looks more like this color. This looks like a deeper red, like a brick red. Cautious. Cautious is gonna be this yellow. Thankful and pleased will be this blue. Tired. Tired. Oops. Tired is not going to be gold. Tired's going to be this brown. Certain. It's going to be this scarlet. There we go. And contemplative. There we go. So curious. I'm just gonna fill it right in here. Think about those moments that I was curious today. I'm very curious. I have a very curious nature, so I'm gonna fill that a little bit more. There we go. All right, concern. Yeah, my concern was pretty big. And I'm going to sharpen my pencil. So yeah, so whenever you're doing something like this, you can go beyond the circle. It is yours. So you're the one who's doing it. So if you feel like it's important to go beyond that, that's okay. It's one of those things that like sometimes people are kind of scared to step outside of the box or their space or whatever. And if you think about it, this is just a piece of paper and some colored pencils. So it's not going to hurt anything. It's not going to be a reflection of, your personality. It's just how you feel. So if you feel like going outside the lines and sharpening your pencil 2 or 3 times, that's perfectly up to you. There we go, reserved. You can even be a little bit reserved, like right in here, just filling that in. Cautious. Actually, I was more cautious than reserved, huh? There we go. Oh, thankful. Yes, very thankful. Look at these primary colors. Oh my goodness, I did primary and secondary colors. There we go. Thankful and pleased. Yes, very much so. Tired? Oh yeah. Certain. Yep. That feels hearty, like comfort food. My certainty did. And that was a really good feeling. And then contemplative. Yep. There we go. So there we go. That's it. So if you are looking to, follow me along with this, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. You could also click the little bell right there so it tells you whenever I make videos and whenever I plug something up. And you'll get to see me doing more of these. And then I'm also doing some children's art projects. I've got some of those coming up and a bunch of other things. So just go ahead and continue to follow me. And if you have any questions, please go ahead and comment them below. And I will see you tomorrow. So remember, color the residue of your day away. All right, thanks. Bye.